Hello, my name is Roberto Alzaga, and I am the GC Specialist Application for Servomex, and this is my colleague Chris Davies.
I'm the Applications Manager for the Purity and Specialty sector. Today we're going to be unboxing the SERVOPRO Chroma.
This is a highly versatile trust gauge analyzer that can be configured for a wide range of complex applications.
It's worth noting as well that all of our analyzer packaging has been drop tested to ensure the safety of the technology inside. So let's open the box. As you can see, the package contains your power lead, your CD containing your report software, some spare fuses, your document pack containing test result sheet and any test certification, your operator manual, and a keyboard.
And finally, you have your Chroma analyzer.
The SERVOPRO Chroma is a compact yet robust design that will satisfy most applications with a single 4U high 19-inch rack mount configuration.
Chroma is a customizable mainframe analyzer that can be fitted with Servomex gas chromatography-based sensing technology such as plasma emission, flame ionization, and thermal conductivity detector to monitor trace impurities in a number of common gases including nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, air, and many others.
Typical applications for the SERVOPRO Chroma include both safety and quality measurements within air separation plants, as well as medical gas filling applications compliant with various pharmacopoeia standards. Due to the configurable nature of the product, the SERVOPRO Chroma can be designed to meet a wide variety of customer applications.
So now let's have a closer look at the Chroma. On the front of the analyzer is a large display, keypad, and mouse to access software features, and a USB port to connect keyboard or external storage device.
And on the rear of the analyzer, you will find various information labels including model and serial number and other technical information, along with analog and digital outputs and multiple communication options such as RS-232 and Ethernet. You'll also find an additional USB port.
And depending on your configuration, trap inlets and outlets, auxiliary oven power, connectors, and various carrier and sample inlets and vents. And now we are ready to connect the analyzer to power it up.
It's important to note, before you power up or connect carrier gas, you must remove all vent caps to prevent damaging the analyzer.
We also recommend the use of the SERVOPRO Pure Gas to ensure quality of carrier gas.
Once powered up, the analyzer should be purged for at least 24 hours before use to ensure any contamination from the atmosphere, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, etc. has been removed.
The Chroma is optimized via sophisticated and flexible operational software that offer access to all device options via PC. As with any gas chromatography analyzer, flow rate and temperature are well controlled, and the preset values are embedded within the software. Due to the complexity of the analyzer, it is highly recommended when receiving the Chroma that is commissioned by a Servomex service technician to ensure a reliable measurement from startup.
Our technician will also provide you with hands-on training so you can feel confident operating your analyzer from day one.
Servomex also have a number of service products available to you, delivered by our global service network offering lifetime support for your product.
Thanks for joining us today to unbox the SERVOPRO Chroma. To request a quote or download resources, visit servomex.com or contact your local business centre.